Hello everyone. For today's video I'm going to be running through with you how to create your first wallet through Trust Wallet. I'll be giving additional tips, tricks on how to keep it the most secure and just generally running through what I think is best on how to get started in creating your own wallet. Just before we get into the video today, I'd again like to bring your attention to our website. Here we have multiple guides, we have forums, anything you need regarding crypto we are going to put in this website to try and make investing as easy as possible for everyone in this crypto space. Any questions you have, do not hesitate to chat with us through our chat. Like I said, post anything on the forum. If you're a veteran in the space and you'd just like to discuss projects to reaffirm your decision in what you're investing in, learn as much as you can in this space. That is how you make money here, by learning. So we are just creating a centralized hub for everyone to get involved, chat, create discussions, all of that jazz. Now on with the video. So in the previous video I was showing you how to download Trust Wallet on your mobile and your Windows computer device. I'm going to be running through everything today through my Windows computer device. However, if you're on a mobile it will be exactly the same for you. Now to begin with, I'm going to be running through how to create a brand new wallet, setting your passcode, how to keep your seed phrase secure, and give a few extra little tips and tricks on top of that to keep your wallet even more secure basically. So let's click create a new wallet. It's going to ask us to create a passcode for this wallet, so we can make it anything like 147147. Just re-enter that. Now here is when you create your 12-word seed phrase. This is a very, very secure way to keep a wallet. Now, the odds of guessing a 12-word seed phrase are, in one of the previous videos I said 1 in 400 billion, 1 in 400 trillion. It is way beyond that. I'll let you Google it yourself to see exactly how many numbers it is, but I'm not sure there's even a word for the odds of what it actually is, basically. So let's click I understand. And now here is the recovery phrase that you must write down in order to access this wallet again. So let's say if your computer gets destroyed, your mobile gets destroyed, these words here are how you will retrieve all your assets that you sent to this wallet. This recovery phrase is paramount that you remember if you have a lot of assets and a lot of capital in this wallet. So to be the most secure you can possibly be, really, you don't even want to think about clicking this copy button and pasting it anywhere on your computer. What I do whenever I create a new wallet, I will get a piece of paper and a pen and I will write down what them words are in that exact order. So you see 1 case, 2 scissors on a piece of paper. I go 1 case, 2 scissors, because when you come to retrieve the wallet, so let's say we create this wallet now and you've sent £10,000 worth of Bitcoin to it and your computer gets destroyed, then what do you do then? How do you retrieve that? You type these 12 words in the exact order and you get access to all them assets again. You get access to all your Bitcoin. So I would not send this to anyone. I wouldn't leave it on my computer. Let's say someone hacks your network and they manage to get onto your desktop, your computer, they could find that file and see all your 12-word seed phrases, type it in, take all your assets, your capital. The only way I store my seed phrases is with a paper and a pen in certain locations that only I know. And it's that simple to keep it safe. You need to be very careful with these 12 words. Do not send them anyone. If any tech support or you're having trouble with something and you ask a question on a forum, if anyone asks for your 12-word seed phrase, do not give it them. Even if you spoke to Trust Wallet themselves, they wouldn't ask you for that 12-word seed phrase. Do not tell anyone this seed phrase. Honestly, I cannot stress it enough. So once you've recorded your recovery phrase on your piece of pen and paper in the exact order that they're in here, we will go to continue, and now we will have to type them in that order. So it'll be a bit tedious watching me just type them in now, so I'll just skip it to when I've put them all in the right order. Just bear with me 1 second. So when you have entered them in the correct order, you'll see well done. You can click done, and there you have it. Your wallet is successfully created. Like I said in the previous few clips, you need to keep that 12-word seed phrase safe. This is how, if you manage to delete this off the computer, or it gets destroyed, or you lose your phone if it's on your phone, that is how you get all your assets back in here. There is no other way. You will have to keep that 12-word seed phrase. Now, some useful tips to keep your account more secure. If this is going to be your main holding wallet that will have the majority of your assets and your capital in, so let's say you had £50,000 worth of Bitcoin and that was all you had, you would want to keep this wallet as secure as you possibly can be, which includes only writing that down on a piece of pen and paper and storing it only where you know. The more you dig into this crypto space, you're going to learn more avenues and how to invest in different projects and things like that. These dApps, this feature here, will be a pretty big part of that. I fully recommend, where all of your main capital is, do not even touch the dApps on this wallet. Just don't go near it, because the scams run rife in this space. Everyone is trying to steal your money all the time, and they have some pretty cool, nifty ways of doing it where you will be very unexpected. So my advice is to just totally avoid the dApps on your main wallet where all of your capital is. Now, what I do recommend, if you would like to start digging into dApps like PancakeSwap, Air NFTs, Venus, all of these here, I suggest just moving a slight amount of money to that you want to invest in. You never want to go all in on things like these. It's just not secure enough. That's the way I feel anyway. The more you become experienced in the space, the more familiar you'll be about putting a bit more money in there. But for now, like I said, if you're new and you're just learning, just take it slow. You know what I mean? Don't rush into them things, because you will be punished at the end of the day. But yeah, so like I said, if you would like to do that and explore it with a little bit of money, you can just always add a new wallet. If you go to settings down here, wallets, add a wallet, and then you go through that whole process again about creating a new seed phrase. But you don't have to create a new passcode again, because that passcode is for this entire device. Only the wallets will then be separate, if you catch my drift. So all of your main assets on the other wallet, they'll be safe in that wallet, and then you'll just use this new wallet, what you have a small amount in, to go and explore them dApps or whatever, and they won't be able to get to your main income, because obviously it's not linked to that wallet. You've never even given them a slight chance of accessing that wallet, because they're totally separate. But thanks for watching today's video. That was how to set up your first wallet, along with a little tips and tricks on security, how to keep it the most secure it can be. If you have any questions, you're unsure about anything I've said today, or you think something can be added, just let us know in the comments. Visit our website, tell us there, leave a comment on YouTube. It's totally up to you. Just get in touch with us and let us know.